Hello, very warm good morning to all of you. How are you, friends? Fine, very nice. I am also fine. Students, today our quiz is of Standard 7, Sem 2, Unit 1. Students, in this quiz, we have a special guest. Yes, but for that, you have to close your eyes. Come on, all of you, close your eyes. Yes, you have to close your eyes. મને કોઈકની આંખ ખુલ્લી દેખાય છે હજી. Yes, ત્યાં કોર્નરમાં. Come on, very fast. Okay. હવે હું જ્યાં સુધી કહું નહીં, ત્યાં સુધી આંખો ના ખોલતા, હા? Ready? 1, 2, and 3. Now open your eyes. Hi friends. How are you all? I'm Diku. I am also learning English with you. Today I am going to speak one story. Okay? Listen to me very carefully. Fine? This story is about Chakko and Chucky. You know this story? એક હતો ચકો ને એક હતી ચકી. Chakabhai was very bored of this common story of khichdi, right? You all know that, this story? Yes or no? Yes. So today I am going to tell you a different interesting story of Chakabhai and Chucky Ben. Okay? Chakabhai was very bored. All are speaking a same story about me. Let's make a new story. He went to Chucky Ben. Chucky, oh Chucky, where are you? Where are you, Chucky? Then Chucky came. Hello, Chakka. How are you? Chakka told Chucky that let's make a new story. Okay? And then they started dancing. Let's make a new story. Let's make a new story. Chakabhai started singing. Ah, ah. Chucky said, stop. You are very boring. Don't sing like this. Chakka said, but I am enjoying singing. Let me sing and dance. Ah, oh Chakka, please stop. But I am enjoying. Let me sing. Ah, oh. Ah, ah, ah. Ah, ah, ah. અને પછી તો આ ચકાભાઈનું ડાન્સિંગ અને સિંગિંગ ચાલુ જ રહ્યું. એવું ચાલુ રહ્યું કે રાત પડી ગઈ. પણ ચકાભાઈ અટક્યા નહીં. આ આ રાત્રે બીજા બધા પણ પક્ષીઓ વૃક્ષ ઉપર આવી ગયા. એમણે સાંભળ્યું, oh my God, who sing so badly? Parrot came to Chakabhai's house and he said, oh Chakabhai, please stop singing. this is very boring. Chakabai said, no, I will not listen to anybody. I am enjoying singing. Ah, ah. Then cuckoo, peacock, all birds came there and they were talked. Oh my God. અરે આ ચકાભાઈ તો આપણી રાત બગાડશે આમ ગાઈ ગાઈને. શું કરીશું? Let's do one thing. Nice idea. And then a cuckoo came with a nice bowl which was full of liquid. All birds went to Chakabai and then told them, "Oh Chakabai, please take this soup. If you will drink this, તમારું ગળું વધારે મધુર મધુર અવાજમાં ગાઈ શકશે." Chakabai was very happy. Wow, now give me this soup. I will drink this, then I will sing. Chakabai તો બધું સૂપ પી ગયા. And then again he started. Ah, ah. Karta karta he slept. Okay, so this was the story of Chakabai and Chakiben. Fine. Students, remember this story and we will meet next time. Till then, bye-bye. So students, this was a very interesting story of Chakabai and Chakiben. Chakabai soup પીને સૂઈ ગયા અને એટલે પક્ષીઓ પણ શાંતિથી સૂઈ શક્યા. So this is a new story of Chakabai and Chakiben. Now students, with this interesting story, let's start our quiz. Today in our quiz, 4 groups are from Kheda district. So let's do the introduction round. We have 4 groups. Group A, Group B, Group C and Group D. Let's do the introduction of Group A.
My name is Nehal from Chikhlod Prathmik Shada.
My name is Mitesh from Chikhlod Center Shada.
My name is Alpesh from Narpura Prathmik Shada.
My name is Mahesh from Narpura Prathmik Shada.
My name is Mohik from Prathmik Kanya Shada. My name is Mansi from Prathmik Kanya Shada.
My name is Sonal. I am from Bagdu Primary School, Taluka Maudha, District Kheda.
My name is Prerna. I am from Bagdu Primary School, Taluka Maudha, District Kheda.
Very nice. Clap for all our groups A, B, C, D. Fine. So students, let's start our first round. મિત્રો, આપણે ફર્સ્ટ યુનિટમાં જે કંઈ કર્યું છે, જે કંઈ જોયું છે, જે કંઈ રમ્યા છીએ, એ જ બધું અહીંયા કરવાનું છે. ઇટ્સ વેરી ઇઝી. અને આપણે આપણી આ ક્વિઝને એક્ટિવિટી સ્પેશિયલ ક્વિઝ પણ કહી શકીએ. ઇન વિચ યુ હેવ ટુ પરફોર્મ. તમારે કંઈક પરફોર્મ કરવું પડશે, તમારે જાતે કંઈક એપ્લાય કરવું પડશે. માત્ર જોઈને સાંભળવાનું નથી. ઓકે, સો લેટ્સ ગેટ સેટ રેડી ફોર અવર first round. Our first round is following instructions. So the round is telling us follow me. Okay? In this round you will get one chit. Okay friends? You will get one chit. You have to open that chit and you have to read it. Fine? Whatever is written in the chit, you have to perform according to the instructions. So again I am repeating this. You will get one chit, and in that chit there is one instruction. You have to read it, and according to that you have to perform here. You have to follow the instruction. Fine? Okay? For example, one instruction is for me. I have this one chit, and this is the chit. Stand up, sit down. So what I will do, students, according to my chit, I have to stand up, sit down. Again, stand up, sit down. Just like this, all our groups will get one chit, and then they have to read it, they have to follow it. Okay, so let's start. Group A, come here and take one chit from this. Go there and read it. Nod your head once. Very good, very nice. Good. You are getting 10 marks. Now this is the turn for our B group. B group, you have to come here and then you have to collect the chit from this. Come here. Take any one chit from this and you have to follow the instruction. Blink your eyes 8 times.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Very good. Very nice. You are getting 10 marks for your performance. Very nice. Now this is our third group. Third group, C group, come here and collect your chit. Clap 5 times. Very good. Now you have to count in English.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Very nice. Correct answer. And for your performance, you are getting 10 marks. Very nice. Now this is the last chit, and this chit is for our fourth group. Come on, come, take this and read it.
Stand on one leg for a minute.
Wow. Stand on one leg for a minute. Start. Wow. She's standing on one leg. Very good. I think 30 seconds are on. "45, 50, 60. Very nice. Very good. You are getting 10 marks. Very nice. So at the end of our first round, see the score. And according to the scoreboard, our all groups, they all have given correct answers. They all performed well. And for that, they all are getting 10 equal marks. Very nice. Big clap for all. Students, this is activity based round. You can do such an activities in your classroom also. તમે બધાએ એક્ટિવિટી 1, એક્ટિવિટી 2 જ્યારે એપિસોડમાં જોયું ત્યારે તમે બધાએ જોયું હશે કે યુ હેવ ટુ ફોલો સમ ઇન્સ્ટ્રક્શન્સ. સી, ટીકુભાઈ, એમને અંગ્રેજી નહોતું આવડતું, પણ કેવી રીતે શીખ્યા? સાંભળીને, બોલીને. યુ હેવ ટુ ફોલો ઇટ. વર્ગખંડમાં પણ આવી કેટલીક પ્રવૃત્તિઓ કરીને તમે આ પ્રકારની ગેમ્સ રમી શકો. ફાઇન. લેટ્સ સ્ટાર્ટ અવર સેકન્ડ રાઉન્ડ. ઇન સેકન્ડ રાઉન્ડ you have to observe one picture. I know pictures are your favorite, right? બધાને pictures જોવા બહુ ગમે છે. Fine. You have to observe some pictures. અને એ જે picture હશે ને એની ઉપર કે નીચે એક fill in the blank આપેલી હશે.